Hi everyone, welcome to Cola Teaches Math. So we're going to talk about polar slope of the tangent line, and I have an example here. So it says find the slope of the tangent line. So this always be key all year. Slope of the tangent line means derivative to the polar curve at the given value of theta. And here is my polar curve, and this is where we're going to find the slope at. So first things first, I like to organize it this way. We need to create x and we need to create y. So let's just split the middle here, just to stay organized. And we know x is equal to r cosine theta. So we are going to replace this r with the equation, and we're going to get x equals 2 plus 4 sine theta cosine theta. We're then going to create y. Y is r sine theta. We're going to replace r with 2 plus 4 sine theta. And then we're going to attach the sine theta. So the formula y dx is over dx d theta. So we need to now derive x and y with respect to theta. So let's go ahead and do that. And we're going to use the product rule. So we're going to have u, v, and we're going to derive it. Okie dokie, let's do it. So we're going to have u, v prime, the derivative of cos is negative sine, plus v, u prime, so the derivative of that is going to be 4 cosine theta. And then over here, when we derive y, same thing. This is going to be my u, this is my v. So we're going to have u, v prime, plus v, u prime. So that's going to be 4 cosine theta. Okay, so now we're going to replace theta with pi. So x prime is going to be 2 plus 4 sine pi, negative sine pi, plus cosine pi, 4 cosine pi. All right, now we got to very, very carefully evaluate all of these. So this first one here. So we're going to have x prime equal to 2. The sine of pi is going to be 0, so it's just going to be 2. Sine of pi is 0, 0. Plus cosine of pi is negative 1 times 4 times negative 1. So this should come out to be 4. Okay, over here, let's replace theta with pi. So 2 plus 4 sine pi, cosine pi, plus sine pi, 4 cosine pi. All right, so let's see what we get. We're going to get 2 plus 0, okay, so 2. Cosine of pi is negative 1, plus 0, so then y prime should just be negative 2, and then we need to plug it back into my formula, which is dy d theta, so negative 2, over dx d theta 4, which is going to be negative 1/2. Done.